DIY installed on a 2017 Montero Sports GT. Auto hold function. 2016 to 2019 Montero Sports doesn't include this in the feature. So right now I'm going to show you how to activate it. Press this switch, then the icon will come up. You should wear your seat belt. Okay, after that I place the gear to drive, and it will show a green icon here up. After I release this, but I need to press the brake pedal. So brake pedal press, auto hold function enabled. You can see it here. Okay, you can see the parking brake switch is off, but it's not moving anywhere because it's holding the brake. So when I press the accelerator pedal, it will auto release and it become green again. You will hold again, same as the Expander and the 2025 Montero Sports. So I try again, disengage, then engage. Every time I press the brake, even stop, then you will engage the auto hold function. Okay, so when I reverse it, it will auto disengage. Okay, I put to drive, it will engage again. So if I remove my seat belt when the parking brake hold is enabled, this is what going to happen. You will auto engage the parking brake. You can see it here. So putting the seat belt again, then enable the auto hold switch. You can see it's enabled again. This you will on the function again. Okay, on, off, on. Then if I press the accelerator, this is going to happen. It will tell you to press the brake and release the parking brake. Press the brake and release the parking brake. Then it become green. So that's it on a 2016 to 2019 Montero Sports, now equipped with auto hold function. Thank you.